Hello students, good morning. Yes, check out your computer book and computer copy also. Yes. So now let's start. Today we will do section B, right? Exercises of section B. So do this work in your fair copy, not in book. Okay, so let's start. Yes. So first one is multiple choice question. Dash can be words, numbers, pictures or sound. Data can be words, number, picture or sound. Processing can be words, number or sound. And meaningful information can be words, number, picture or sound. So, data can be words, numbers, pictures or sound. So, option number A is true. So, write DATA. Next is a computer displays dash after processing the data. A computer display the output after processing the data, right? आपको क्या देता है वो? Output gives the data. Yes. So a computer displays output after processing the data. So option number C is true. Output. Next is dash keys are used for moving through the documents or web pages. So, navigation keys are used for moving through the documents or web pages. So, option number C is true. So, write navigation. Navigation. Navigation keys are used for moving through the documents or web pages. The dash monitor consumes the least amount of power. LED. LED stands for yes. LED stands for light emitting diode. Okay. Yes. So option number C is true. Liquid emission diode. LED. Fourth one is dash keys are either used alone or in combination with the other keys to perform certain actions. So control keys are either used alone or in combination with the other keys to perform certain actions. So option number 1 is true. Control. Next is write full form of the following. IPO, input processing output. Full form में in the full form, so first I stands for input. So first alphabet of this is capital letter. P is processing. Input, processing, output. OUT, PUT. फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट आपका कैपिटल होगा फुल फॉर्म में सबका. ओके. CU is control unit. CONTROLUNIT. Control unit. ALU arithmetic. ARITH arithmetic. METIC. A stands for arithmetic. L stands for logical. U stands for unit. CPU. C stands for CPU. Yes. CPU, central processing unit. C stands for central. P stands for processing. U stands for unit. VDU. Yes. Visual. 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 Display. DISPLAY. Visual Display Unit. UNIT. MU. Memory Unit. MEMORY. Memory. UNIT unit. IQ, I stands for intelligent, Q stands for quotient. Next is LCD. LCD, liquid crystal diode. LCD, liquid crystal display. L stands for liquid, C stands for crystal, D stands for display. Yes. Yes. What is the definition of computer? What is the definition of computer? So, a computer is a very useful machine, is a useful machine it is used in almost everywhere. It is used in almost every sphere of life. Right? Yes. We can play games, type letters, draw pictures, and many more things. Okay? Yes. And name the device that is known as the brain of computer. Central Processing Unit, CPU. This is your classwork. Thank you, students, and have a nice day. Do this work in your fair copy.